some more. But yeah, with lightning behind it. Oh, that was perfect. Damon, we've really been watching close, have not seen it. You know, fortunately, this is up in those hills in this area. Not a whole lot of homes or structures in here, but as this thing continues to intensify, like you're seeing right here, a lot of that lightning in the background, there's a lot of movement to this, and this could very quickly build into a really large tornado as it moves into a more populated area out towards the Maud area. So definitely, if you're around Maud, towards the west side of Maud, you definitely need to get in your storm shelters. This thing's kind of moving that direction, Damon. Yeah, just because you can't see it. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, keep that. Turn up the contrast is what he said. Say zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hold that right there. Yeah, Dame, I do not. I'm looking out ahead of it now. There is a road. I'm gonna try to get you what that road is that we're over right now. I think it's the road that runs right through or just on the west side of Maud that you were